Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are doing good. So this week we are going to unbox CCA and their premium versions of it. So we did unbox two premium CCA back then, the Torino and the Hellcat, if I'm not wrong. So a lot of people actually asked me to do more of it, and more specifically some specific castings they asked me to do it even offline as well. So let me start with this one, the Maserati MC20. I personally like this one. I think I have this in Hot Wheels Premium as well, so I bought it. And this is a second one. So the first time I missed this because the mainline version of it is not really that good. So I originally missed this one and I went ahead and bought it because I came to know that all these are like full metal castings. So this is a third one. So the Pagani Utopia. So I think this would be the most affordable and well detailed Utopia. I'm really hoping this would be really good because a lot of people went nuts over the Hot Wheels Utopia version. And here is the another one, my personal favorite, the Lamborghini Revolto. So since these are full metal versions, I'm really having high hopes for these castings. So here is the another one, the McLaren 765 LT. So okay, so this was under request. I bought this one and the next one. So some actually asked me over Insta or even in YouTube comments, they asked me to unbox these two, the McLaren P1 GTR and this one, the 765 LT. So that's the whole reason I bought these two. Or else I would have just bought only very few of it. But honestly, compared to buying Hot Wheels Premium, I would prefer this because the other two which I bought, it had all the detailing to it, and it had the pop-up headlights for the Torino as well. That was really awesome. So let's see if any of these actually has any other moving parts. I never actually thought about looking at that when I bought this. Okay, so far none of this has anything. Okay, none of this actually showcases anything in the box, but I'm hoping all these are like full metal castings, and hopefully this looks way better than the premium Hot Wheels Premium ones. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.